Guys, this is the way that I enjoy my coffee now that I am pre-diabetic. So if you guys see, I put the creamer in here, and this creamer only has 5 grams of sugar, and then I take a teaspoon of cinnamon, and this is now how I have my coffee, because I cannot have a lot of the sugar intake. So this is the way that I do my coffee now that I am pre-diabetic. I just take the sugar out, guys, and just use a creamer with less than 5 grams of sugar, guys. So that's pretty much what we got to do to control the pre-diabetes. So thank you, guys. This is the way now. But cinnamon is great for pre-diabetes, and organic sugar, guys, as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that's pre-diabetic. You can still have your coffee, just change, the way you drink it. Take a lot of that sugar out.